Foxx Squad, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope you all had a blessed holiday season. If you're new to my channel, my name is Robbie. I post videos of everything home decor, DIY, and event planning. But in today's video, I am going to be going over my after Christmas shopping haul. So let's go ahead and see what I bought and where I picked it up from. So the first two items that I picked up are these Project 62 vessels from Target. The larger vessel was $25 and the smaller vessel was $20. They're both very Restoration Hardware inspired vessels. They aren't quite as large as the Restoration Hardware vessels, and they definitely don't have the big price like the Restoration Hardware, but they're beautiful vases and they'll go great with any home decor, especially mine. Yeah, so you have to watch for future videos to see how I style them in my home. The last item I picked up from Target is this Hearth and Hand bowl. It is also very Restoration Hardware inspired, but without the Restoration Hardware price. And it isn't quite as large as the bowls from Restoration Hardware. And it also doesn't have the stand that it has, but nonetheless, it's still a very beautiful bowl that'll make a great addition to my home decor. I purchased this for $19.99. After I left Target, I headed over to T.J Maxx to pick up a few items, and I was able to find two of these shelves that I'm going to be using to decorate in my guest bedroom or my upstairs guest bedroom. I found the smaller size and then the larger size. The smaller was 19, no it wasn't, it was $9.99, and the larger was $12.99. Currently in my guest bedroom upstairs, I have a gold round mirror that I added to the wall, but nothing goes with it. So I'm going to be changing out the bedding as well as trying to incorporate different items on the wall to match that mirror. So I think these will be a good addition. Yeah, to hang possibly on either side of the mirror. I don't know, or sort of diagonal to the mirror. We'll see. You'll have to stay tuned for that video as well. I also picked up a few vases from T.J Maxx that are very West Elm inspired. I got this round one, which was $9.99. I actually got two of these. I got the smaller version that was $6.99. I think I'm going to add this to my family room coffee table because that's the room that has the gold accents in it. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep both of the round ones, but I'm going to incorporate them in the family room somewhere and see how I like them. If I like them both, I'll keep them. If not, then I'll return one of them. And then I also picked up the larger version of the vase that I know I'm definitely going to use in my family room. So what I'm going to use this one for is to add maybe a few pampas grass stems. And while I was at TJ Maxx, I was able to also find a few pampas grass stems. So these are the pampas grass stems that I purchased. They were $12.99 a bushel. Yeah. Unfortunately, I was only able to find two. I was hoping that I was able to find a few more because they're not really that full, or maybe since they're still kind of in the rubber band, they don't look that full, but they don't look that full to me. So I'll wait maybe a week or so and go back to see if they got another shipment in, or I'll try another TJ Maxx. The last few items that I picked up from TJ Maxx are these dish towels with the snowflakes and some Christmas light bulbs. I'll probably put these away until next Christmas. Definitely the Christmas bulbs will be put away for next Christmas, but I can still use these even though the season is over. They just have snowflakes on them, so it snows here maybe in February, so maybe I'll use them when it starts snowing. So after I left TJ Maxx, I headed over to Ross and picked up this picture to go into my guest bedroom that I'm going to be decorating. Lastly, I purchased this flower pot from Amazon. I'm trying to incorporate more greenery into my home. So I already have two with this very same design or color combination on it. And then I saw this one on Amazon when I was searching for something else. And so, of course, I picked it up. Now I just have to find a planet to go into it so that I can add more greenery to my home. So, thank you guys for watching. If you've watched this far, if you have, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below about what you think of my haul. If you're not already part of the Foxx Squad, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. All right, y'all, stay tuned for my update on my guest bedroom. Be blessed.